Welcome students for the maths class of grade 7. Today we are going to do decimal fraction exercise 4D. First question, find whether the given division forms a terminating decimal or a non-terminating decimal. See the first 3 divided by 8. So division method, 3, 8, 0s are 0. 3 comes down, put decimal, put 0 over here, 8 3s are 24, 6 0, 8 7s are 56, minus 4 0, 5s are 40. We get remainder 0 0, therefore 3 divided by 8 is equals to 0.375, which is terminating decimal. Further division is not possible, so it is terminating and it completely divided. Then we see next question second, 8 divided by 3. In the same manner, 8 3 2s are 6, minus 2 0, 0.6 are 18, minus 2 0, 6 18. So it keep on repeating, therefore 8 divided by 3 is equals to 2.6 bar. That means it's a recurring, or you can say which is non-terminating decimal. Take one more example 7. We have 42 divided by 9. 42 is your dividend, 9 is the divisor. 9 4s are 36, 6 is the remainder. Now put 0, put decimal over here. 9 6 are 54, 6 0, again 6. That means it keep on repeating now. So we have 42 divided by 9 is equals to 4.6 bar, which is non-terminating decimal, which is non-terminating decimals. So we get 42 divided by 9, which is equals to 4.6, which is non-terminating decimal. Now see next question number 2, express as recurring decimal. They are telling you express this 1 by 3 as a recurring. So first of all, what we are going to do, this is a mixed fractions, we are going to make it in an improper fraction, that is 4 by 3. Then do the division, 4 3, 1s are 1, 0.9, 1 0 3 9. So it keeps on repeating, therefore 4 by 3 can be written as 1.3 bar, which is a recurring decimal. Take one more example number 7. This was first example number 7. We have 5 upon 18, 5 0 0, 5 comes down, 0, put decimal, 2s are 36, 14 0, 7s are, so 18 7s are 126. We get 14 as the remainder. Again 14 we are getting it, that means 7 is recurring. 126, 14, so it will keep on repeating, therefore 5 divided by 18 is equals to 0.277, which can be written as 0.27 bar. So it is a which is a recurring decimal. Recurring decimal. Now convert the mixed recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. That means we have to represent in the form of numerator and denominator. So first step is that from the number formed by all the digits in the decimal part. In the decimal, that's the number from the number formed by all the digits in the decimal part. So decimal part number is formed 2, 3, 4. Subtract the number formed by the digit that are not repeating. The number which is not repeating, that is 23. So we have 2, 1, 1. Okay, this was your first step. What we have to do? This was your first step. What we have to do? After decimal, whatever digits are there, 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, you have to take all the digits. Then you have to subtract the digits which are not repeating. So here 23 is not repeating. So 2, 3, 4 minus 23, we get 2, 1, 1. Then second step, from the number with as many 9s as there are repeating digits followed by as many zeros as is the number of non-repeating digits. For now, right now here we have 0.234 bar. So we have one number repeating, that is 9, and how many digits are there which is not repeating? There are 2, that is 2. Okay, now vulgar fraction is equals to 211 upon 900. If any cancellation is possible, we can do. If not, then we can leave the answer there itself. So this is your vulgar fraction. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Question 3, 1, 0.3 bar. The first step, after decimal, how many digits are there? First step, we have after decimal 1 digit, that's 3. Then we have to subtract after decimal how many digits are not repeating, not recurring, that is none of the number is repeating, that 0 is equals to 3. Second step we have suppose for 0.3 bar, which is equals to how many number is recurring? 1, that's 9. After that, no numbers are non-repeating numbers are there, so it will be as it is. Vulgar fraction is equals to 3 by 9, which can be simplified further, which is equals to 1 by 3. Similarly, you see question 4, 1, 0.35 bar. First step, how many digits after decimal? 2, that is 35. And then any digits before recurring, that is non-repeating numbers, none of the numbers are there, so it will be minus 0, which is equals to 35. Second step, for this number, how many digits are repeating? 2, that is 99. Non-repeating numbers are there? No. So it will be vulgar fraction is equals to 35 upon 99. This is the answer. Then see question number 5, second. 0.245 bar. First step, we have 3 digits, that is 245, minus which number is not repeating, that is 2, which is equals to 243. Now second step, how many digits, 2 digits are there, which is equals to 99, and how many digits is not repeating, that's 1, that's 0. So vulgar fraction is equals to 243 dividing by 990. Again we can simplify further. So by 3 81 and here 330. Further simplifications is possible. So here we have now 27 and here we have 110. So this is the answer. So this is your answer. Question 5, third one, we have 0.685 bar. First step we have how many digits, 3 after decimal, 685, non-repeating 68, which is equals to 15 minus 8, that's 7, 1, 6. Second step, how many digit is repeating, only 1, that's 9, and non-repeating 2, 0, 0. So vulgar fraction we have 617 upon 900. This is your answer.